Hi, my name is Bregje Cox. I'm a fashion designer that works with storytelling. My collections have always been a bit futuristic. The latest collection that I've worked on is called Encoded Cognition. It's a collection that also incorporates psychology into the design process. You can see a slide of a picture of that collection over here. The patterns on the clothes are based on the built environment and how we react on our environment and how that influences the way we dress ourselves and the way we act in a certain space. For 1 year now, I've been collaborating with Frederik De Wilde, who is an artist that also works on with technology. The project that we've been working on for a year now is called Pulsar. It's a project inspired by big data. So we've been working together for a year now on a project called Pulsar. It is inspired by big data and how we can use big data in the creative process. You can see a little bit of that process over here. So we develop creative enablers that will help turn that big data into patterns, objects, and shapes. But you can see that we use public Pulsar data from NASA to create 3D printed objects. By using that data as input in the creative process, it will help you it will give you much more opportunities to work with new patterns and new shapes. What we've done, one of the first things that we have done is we 3D printed this object. This is inspired by the data, and the shape is based on the pulsar location, and the patterns inside are based on the pulsar spectra. This object has been printed by Stratasys. They have 4D printers. The difference with a 3D printer is that that you can also influence the pattern inside the object. So, and it's built layer by layer. Well, you can see the research here. By using that technology, it will open up also new possibilities for us to create all certain things. So we want to create a broad range of products. We can use this to develop shoes. We can also use the same technology to develop textile patterns. We can also use it to make optical glasses. We can also use it to develop prints just for visuals. So that's what we do. Here you can see a little bit better how we've done it. So this is actually the vector map that was used to create this one. That's one layer of this object, and if you stack all those layers on top of each other, you will get this object. What you can then do, of course, is also design everything that's 3D or 4D printable, and that's what we're doing. That's what we're researching. This is the first step, but we want to continue doing this research and see what the possibilities will be.